8 questions to ask a man that will make him think about you all week. Men replay conversations more than you think. Not the loud ones, but the ones that made them examine themselves. If you ask him the right thing, he'll revisit your words all week. Stay with me, because the last question plants the deepest hook. 8. Ask him what kind of effort makes him invest more. When you ask this, you're not asking what he likes. You're asking what activates his pursuit. He'll start evaluating his own patterns and whether he's shown you that level of effort. That reflection alone makes him think about you later, because now he's measuring himself. 7. Ask him what kind of communication makes him lean in. This shifts him into awareness. Does he value clarity, brevity, emotional depth? As he answers, he'll subconsciously compare your style to what he just described. That comparison lingers after you leave, especially if he realizes you already embody it. 6. Ask him what responsibility he never avoids. This question taps into pride. Every man has something he takes seriously, whether it's family, work, or a personal code. When you ask about it, he feels seen beyond surface level. And men don't forget the woman who noticed what he stands for. If you want your words to echo in his head, comment echo, and let's step into the next level. 5. Ask him how he shows consistency when he cares. Now you're inviting him to define his own standard. If he says he checks in, plans ahead, or follows through, he's describing behaviors he'll feel pressure to live up to with you. That quiet accountability is powerful, and it keeps you on his mind. 4. Ask him what boundary he respects immediately. This question signals self-respect without you announcing yours. When he explains what lines he would never cross, he's revealing his character. Later, he'll wonder if he's demonstrated that level of respect with you, and that curiosity circles back to you. 3. Ask him what kind of future he builds slowly. You're not asking about timelines, you're asking about vision. Does he value stability, growth, freedom, partnership? He'll start picturing that future, and if you're in front of him, you'll naturally enter that image. That mental picture doesn't disappear quickly. If you've ever thought I see the signal but now what? That's exactly what I guide members through in the pinned comment. 2. Ask him how he repairs tension after a disagreement. This goes deeper than asking if he argues well. You're exploring emotional maturity. When he explains whether he cools off, talks it out, or takes responsibility, he's revealing how he handles friction. Afterward, he'll replay the conversation, wondering how he'd handle conflict with you specifically. 1. Ask him what kind of woman lingers in his mind. This is the question that lands. Not what he finds attractive, but what stays with him. Is it intelligence, calm presence, challenge, warmth? As he answers, he'll connect those traits to you in real time. And once he's linked you to something that lingers, you don't have to chase his thoughts. They'll return to you on their own. For more advice, subscribe.